Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's chicken curry. We're just going to be cooking this on our induction hot plate. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. I'm not using tinned tomatoes or frozen tomatoes here, I'm using fresh tomatoes. So into our Vitamix jug or any blender jug, we poured all of our tomatoes that have just been chopped into little pieces. I'm not taking the skins off, I'm not taking the seeds out of those. We're throwing in our garlic. We are throwing in our ginger. Now I'm not even going to peel that ginger because it's going to blitz up into nothing. So we're just going to throw a couple of chunks in like so. About an ounce, 30 grams. Lots of ginger, lots of spice there. We've got our ground chilli, goes in now. Our pepper and our bell pepper or capsicum goes in now. Now we're going to have to put a bit of water in this so that it will actually blitz. So I'm going to put in about 3/4 of a cup. Now we want this into a really fine paste. Lid on. Okay, 50 seconds later, this is what you should have. It's really well pulverized. The ginger, the garlic, it smells really nice, and you know exactly what's gone into it because you put it there. Okay, we're going to brown our chicken first. Mix it just in a little bowl. We're going to add our vegetable salt, our garam masala, cumin, cinnamon, ground coriander, cardamom powder, turmeric, and hot chili powder, and we're just going to mix it all around until it's well combined. Now we've got our pan here to which we have added a good glug of oil. We're going to turn that on to high. Add our spices and just activate them. You'll be able to smell the flavors very, very soon. And then we're going to add our chicken. Just when the fragrance starts to come off that, we're going to add our chicken. In the meantime, I'll be cutting up our onions. Spring onions go in last thing. Our spices are just starting to bubble there now. Roughly chopped there. These guys to one side. Give our spices a little toss around in that oil, and it's time to send in our chicken, and I've just cut that into pieces about so big, and we want this fried right off. And we're just going to dice our onions. Give this a little toss around from time to time. You don't want those spices to burn, otherwise they'll get quite bitter, so I might turn it back a tad. Cut your onion in a fan shape. When you cut through it, you'll have a really nice uniform sort of dye. This is starting to smell pretty nice. Okay, that's nicely browned now. We're going to add our onions. Lots of onion, they will sweat right down and get nice and sticky and sweet. And our tomato paste. Stick all that on a medium-high heat. The moisture will come out of those onions and deglaze the pan where the spices have sort of stuck on there. Okay, we're just going to remove our chicken and onion and tomato paste with all of those spices now and reduce our sauce down because we had to put some water in that and we want to reduce that back down. So just tip this out, turn this off for the moment. I wish you could smell this. I reckon my neighbours will be along shortly. Smells pretty good. Alrighty, now it's in with our sauce and turn that back up again. Tip our brown sugar in there now. Okay, you're going to have to turn this down a little bit because it's really seriously blooping here and you're going to end up with a big mess and it'll be all over. I've got it in a fairly deep-sided pan to avoid that, but it's quite serious. A lot of moisture is evaporating out of it. And now we're going to tip our chicken and onion and sugar back in. It's just been cooking for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. We've cooked our basmati rice and it's standing by hot. And we're going to be finishing off with fresh cream and our spring onions. Okay, just while that's blooping away and reducing even more, our basmati rice is already cooked and standing by. We're going to put our spring onions in last thing. We've got some natural yogurt here. I'm just going to pull a couple of sprigs of fresh coriander away for our garnish, and I'm going to chop the balance up and put it in our yogurt, stalks and all. If I had roots on there, I would use those as well. Just coarsely chop that. We're going to put a little bit of lemon zest in there as well, just with a microplane. Just a little, give it a hint of flavouring. We've got a bit of naan bread that we're just heating up in the air fryer at the moment. It's already been cooked. That'll help tame down any excess heat. Now it's in with our cream. Stir that all through. Now that's ready to serve. In with our spring onions and turn it off. Okay, we've just served up our basmati rice. We're getting some of our gorgeous chicken curry out. You can see how the onions have all sort of sweated down into oblivion. We're going to just dollop some of our coriander and lemon on top of there and serve it with some wedges of naan bread and a couple of sprigs of coriander garnish. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's chicken curry. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, have a little taste, shall we? Some of our rice, some of our sauce, some of our chicken, and a little bit of our yogurt. Chicken melts in the mouth. It's beautifully spiced, not too over the top, so you get the kids to eat it, and just a hint of sweetness. Thanks for watching. Yum yum.